What is going on, Bernie? How are you, sir?
I am awesome, Coach. What's going on?
Man, I'm excited to be on here today. Bernie, do me a favor. For someone that's watching this, tell them who you are, what market you're in, and how long have you been dabbling in real estate?
Well, my name is Bernie Thornton. I've been in the real estate business for about 3 years now. I'm in the Metro Detroit market. I've been doing wholesaling mostly, but I've also been kicking around with a little fix and flip and learning about fixing and holding and all that stuff. So
I love it. I love it. And now that you and I have been working together, you've been at this real estate thing for 3 years, but we haven't been working together that long. How long have we been working together? And what's been your experience working with Kyle and I and the team and the REI Results Academy inner circle and our family that we got here?
Awesome. Just awesome. I mean, I've used other courses and stuff like that, and just never saw the results until I started working with you and just the inner circle, and I just love it. I mean, it's a great big huge family. It's you're not on your own. It's if you've got a question, all you got to do is put it in the group, and it's not just you and Kyle that answer. It's everybody in the group. It's all the different members. Everybody there is there to back up everybody else. Whatever help you need, whatever you need, even if it's not help, just have a question or whatever. Everybody's there for everybody.
I love that. I love that. Bernie, you mentioned that we've been working together now right at 2 years. And you've seen some results, but you didn't get those results right away like a lot of people. Talk to us a little bit about that. Like, what challenges were you facing along the way? And then what was that moment, that aha moment that clicked for you? And lately you've been just like, boom, 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 boom. Like, talk to us about that.
Well, my biggest challenge was myself, because I hate cold calling. I absolutely, positively hate it. And what finally made me just get up and do it was you kicking me in the butt and just basically saying, hey, if you don't do this, you're never going to make any money. So it's something that's got to be done, and you just got to, grab the bull by the horns and put your big boy panties on and do it.
So would you say that accountability has been the greatest determination factor for you?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Definitely.
I love it.
Definitely.
And now that you've started getting deals, not only are you just getting deals, but we're building a team together. Like, talk to us about that. The last couple of months has been like rocket fuel on your business. Tell us about that.
Well, in January, I decided to hire a VA, and the first one didn't work out, but I ended up finding a company that has a VA acquisitions and a DISBO person. And so far that has been outstanding. And I'm really, really excited for my VA to continue working with you and Kyle, because
I love it.
I think not only is it going to benefit me, but it will also benefit her, to where if for some odd reason she did go somewhere else, she would have that knowledge to be able to say, hey, look what I can do.
Yeah, she's just a better person all around. And it's been a pleasure so far working with her. And I love what you said right before you got on here. You're like, Bryce, you were right. She's amazing. And so thank you for sharing that with me, even prior to us recording this. So Bernie, talk to us about that. Like, not only have we been able to get you started, but we've been able to help you grow and build and train this team that now you're able to manage, and not just work in your business, but work on it. Tell us about that and how that makes you feel today versus 3 years ago when you were beating your head against the wall over and over and over. Talk to me about that. What does that make you feel?
Well, I will tell you one thing. It makes it a whole lot easier to get motivated to do things, because when you put in the work and you see the light at the end of the tunnel and you reap the rewards, it makes you want to do it again and again and again and again.
Yeah, I love that. I love that. So someone's watching this right now. Maybe they're in a similar place as you were 3 years ago, but you know what you know. They don't know what you know. What would you tell them about the REI Results Academy and the inner circle and the community that we've built that you've been a part of to push them over the edge?
You got to join it. You got to. I mean, it's like you and Kyle say, are you willing to invest in yourself? I mean, it's a lot of money, but the rewards you get are 10 times worth what you pay. 10 times worth. Like I said, just the access, not to just you and Kyle, but just the whole family. I mean, whatever anybody needs, the whole community is there. It's not just you and Kyle. It's all the community members.
Let me ask you this, Bernie. In the 2 years now that we've been working together, what's been, do you think, in your opinion, your greatest takeaway with working with the REI Results Academy and the Inner Circle?
Probably the giving me the motivation and the determination to get out of my own way and start getting on the phone and doing deals and talking to people and all that.
And what has that done to your confidence?
Oh, it's skyrocketed it tremendously.
Dude, you're like night and day from the day we met. I remember like we talked and then we met in person and I was just like, wow, I know I got my work cut out, and it was a fun challenge, but we've cultivated an amazing friendship outside of the academy. And I love seeing your growth. Talk to someone watching this about where you were 3 years ago and where you're at today in your head and in your headspace.
3 years ago, I was, I wasn't doing anything because I wasn't getting any deals. And because, like I said, those other courses that I had joined, I didn't get anything. I mean, they basically took your money and gave you some leads, and that was it. There was no weekly calls, no training, no access to any coaches, no nothing.
And now working with the REI Results Academy and it being a part of our inner circle, how do you feel now compared to then?
Oh, 100 times more confident, 100 times more confident, because now I know that if there's a situation I run into, oh, hey, all I got to do is reach out to the group, go into the Facebook group, put my problem in the Facebook group, and in less than 30 minutes, I'm going to have at least 15 people. Oh, hey, just do this, and this. That's how you fix that.
Yeah. I love that you mentioned we have this social media group and we're transitioning to our own social media platform and app, and we can be able to do deals together. What do you think of the fact that not only do we have this community, but we've built an environment that we've established business partnerships with each other. We've created and JV deals together. Like, how does that make you feel knowing you're going into another year cycle with us, and yet you've got all of those resources right at your fingertips?
Oh, it's awesome. I mean, it makes it so much easier to do deals. It's because even if you can't find a buyer for it, odds are somebody in the group's going to know a way to get rid of it. My name is Bernie Thornton, and I endorse the REI Results Academy.